that's just observing can stand in the back.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Both? One foot in, one foot out.
So you two must be the brand new recruits. You're better looking bunch than I expected. You already started like our odds. Mission just came in, and I think you're going to be the perfect crew for the job. Definitely. So ever since Smartplay came to the Lego Star Wars Galaxy, there's just been these rumblings of new phenomena no one's ever seen or heard before. They say when you play, the galaxy plays back. And there's rumors of sights, sounds, even talking. Alright? So your mission is to learn the ways how the galaxy is playing back. This could really turn the tides for us. Can we count on it?
Yes.
Alright, then let's make the jump to hyperspace. Next stop, Tatooine.
You will be the illustrious Skywalker. You will be my personal our Dr. Vader.
Endless desert, scorching sun, sand already somehow in my shoes. Yeah, we're definitely in Tatooine now. So, we're in the first part of our mission. The source tells us that the galaxy's been playing back at a place called the Mos Eisley Cantina. Now, you're not going to find a more wretched idle scummy building than at the Mos Eisley Cantina, right? So I'm going to need a couple of really brave recruits for this part of the mission. I'm looking at you and I'm looking at you. Come on over here. And you can stand right here. Excellent, so that the observers can see you. So, welcome recruits to the Cantina. What we have here is basically the lead singer of the Modal Notes. He lost his voice. Alright? And we have Ben Kenobi and Greedo going head to head in a battle to see who will take his place. And your job is to help them give the performance of their lives. Alright? So I'm going to have you be the master, Ben Kenobi. Mysterious. Don't worry, your secret safe with me. Alright? And you will be the notorious bounty hunter, Greedo. Alright?
Not hard for that. Yeah, let's do it.
Excellent. So, first things first though, we have our smart bricks here that you'll notice. And it's not an all-in-one set. So basically it's compatible. So we borrowed it and we put it there, alright? So both of you can take Ben, you can take Greedo, and put them on the stage, put them behind the mic right here. Excellent. Great. And next, you're both going to move your levers back and forth so we can get to hear some good sweet music. Let's go. Hit it. Now you hear the music?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. That's what we were looking for. Go ahead and try to do it even faster and see how it goes. Love it. Nice. Really great job. Great job, Master Obi-Wan. I'm sorry. And you really gave it your best shot, Greedo. Sorry if that's a sore subject.
Fritos, yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, so I'm actually going to say it's a tie, to be honest. Right? So you're both qualified to be part of the Modal Notes. Congratulations. Excellent. So you could hop back on into the transport. Make sure you don't get any sand in there either, because I don't like sand. It's coarse, it's rough, and it's everywhere. Now, with that being said, do you feel like you have any intel on how the galaxy is playing back? Now you do. Okay, I like to hear that. So we don't have any time to waste. It's time for our second part of the mission and the last part of the mission. So let's take that jump to hyperspace. have a good feeling about this. Okay, so now I just got word that since we stumbled into this mess, that the rebels are going to be our help. Alright, so they have big plans for the Death Star, but they need to know what to expect. They're going to have to do a test mission. And I'm going to need a couple of recruits who think fast and fly faster. I'm looking at you, or you, or what about you two? You do?
Yeah.
Alright, come on. Come on, hop on in here. Excellent. So, attention pilots. You are now in a test basically to find out the battle capabilities of these two space and starships. Okay? Have you two ever flown before?
Yeah. I'm a very good pilot.
Nice. Love to hear that. Yeah, so even if you'd rather hug a Sarlacc than to join the Empire, I'm just going to need you all to, do your best and fly your best in this scenario. So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to shake up our smart bricks, get them started. Excellent. We're going to also place it in the back here for yours, and the X-Wing goes inside the cockpit for yours. And the way that you will be shooting is for you pull this lever here, and for you press this button for the laser cannons, all right? So feel free to get these babies up in the air and start blasting at each other. Oh yeah. That's right. Ooh. The Galaxy is playing back? Because I know I sure do. When I first heard that the Galaxy was playing back, I thought it was some sort of mumbo jumbo or something. It turns out it was all true. The music, sound effects, even the chit chat. All true. So, I'm going to take you all back home so you can report on what you found, alright? Let's make the jump to lightspeed punching. Nice work. You completed the mission. We got all of the information we really needed, and it wouldn't have been possible without every last one of you. Now, the mission might be over, but there's still more to discover in the smart plan radar. So once you head out of the transport, you'll hang left and you'll go straight in your carousel. Alright? And make sure you have all your belongings, because there is a Jawa just roaming around seeing what's not bolted down, alright? Oh, and one last thing. May the force be with you. May the force be with you.
Oh, so you're the new recruits, huh? I must say, a bit taller than I anticipated. This bodes well for our operation. Orders are in with a new mission, and I think you're the perfect crew for the task. Since the arrival of Smart Play in the Lego Star Wars galaxy, we've intercepted multiple transmissions about an unprecedented phenomenon. They indicate when you play, the galaxy is playing back. We have had reports of lights, sounds, and even conversing. Your mission is to learn all the ways that the galaxy is playing back. Can I count on you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. All right. Prepare the vessel for immediate jump to hyperspace. The first stop will be the ultimate center of power in the universe, the Death Star. Straight into the Emperor's throne room inside the Death Star. I hope Emperor Palpatine has had his lunch. When he is hungry, he can be a real Sith. Oh, that's it right there. I hope you didn't hear me. What's that, Emperor Palpatine? Ah, the Emperor demands a demonstration how the galaxy plays back the old-fashioned way with a lightsaber duel. I need 2 fearless recruits for this demonstration. Who's it going to be? Let me see. You and you. I sense much play in you two. Please step forward. All right, one on this side, one on this side, please. Excellent. You will be reenacting the epic battle between Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader. You will be the illustrious, if not a teensy bit misguided, Luke Skywalker, and you will be my personal hero, the Dark Lord, Darth Vader. Now you'll see your characters are standing on top of smart bricks. Go ahead and pick those bricks up, give them a shake, wake them up. Very good. Now, Darth Vader goes here, Luke Skywalker here. Press them on nice and tight. Very good. Now, you'll be using these dueling arms to have a lightsaber battle. Your objective is to knock your opponent off the platform. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, the Emperor's watching. Here we go. And begin! Oh, that's a score for the dark side. Let's remount you here. No problem. Luke always makes a comeback. All right, begin. Oh, gotta be more aggressive than that, Luke. Come on. Let's see. Go. Continue. Ooh, we lost a hair piece. We build and we break and we rebuild. Here we go. And that's the hair. Dark side.
Don't need it.
Don't need it. It's gonna be. Well, his head's on backwards. How about that? He knocked you silly. There we go.
Perfect. Perfect.
Continue.
It's all part of the plan.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh! All right, we'll do one more round. One more round. We'll move on. Come on, Luke. Oh, the dark side prevails. Very good. The Emperor is impressed. Now back to your spots. His good mood is short-lived. Thank you. Second and final part of our mission. Sit back, relax. It's a very long journey, okay? Initiate jump to hyperspace. And we are just outside of the Death Star, which we were just in, so my calculations were just a teensy bit off. But everything is going according as planned, of course. Totally according to plan. Oh, what's that? Ah, there's impending rebel action against the Death Star. I'm not sure what they have planned, but we must prepare. I think we must test some combat capabilities over here with our starfighters. Let me see, I need 2 capable pilots. Ah, you feel like a pilot. You please step forward. Very good. Right here, right this way. One of you over here. Initiate jump to hyperspace. Confirmed. Thank you, recruits. Your performance today was commendable. You're totally going to get me a promotion. All right, this operation is complete. However, there's still much to learn about how the galaxy plays back in our smart play arena just through that door. Remember, the more fun you have, the more powerful you become. And make sure you don't forget any of your belongings, or they will end up in the Death Star's trash compactor. Farewell.